Okay, guys. What do we say? How do we greet in Bisaya? Maayong hapon.
Maayong hapon. Uganda.
We're not in Uganda. We're in Jensan.
Maayong hapon.
Jensan! Yahoo! Time check natin, guys. Alas 12. Now, let's show them your hair in close up. A lot of them are curious. Why is it your hair looks like this? Why are you having curly hair? And mommy has straight hair. Why?
Because...
You are what?
Because I am half Ugandan and half Filipino.
And Uganda is which country? From which continent?
Africa.
Exactly. So your dad has what? Curly or straight hair?
Straight hair.
Your dad?
Bald.
Your dad, yeah, he's bald. But before he was bald,
he had like short.
Curly. Very kinky. They call them kinky.
Yes.
Right. So for you, because you are mixed mommy and daddy, it became like this, right?
Yeah.
How do you feel about your hair?
I love it.
You love it so much?
Yes.
And what do other people say about your hair?
In my school, the teenagers love my hair.
They do?
Yeah.
They feel like it's what? Unique?
So unique and cool, and all of them like saying, "Hello, Kahil, so I'm famous in the secondary building but not in primary."
They like your hair?
Yes.
So kasagaran. So most of the time, the children who was having straight hair or Asian hair, they love Kahil's hair. But do you like to cut your hair? I asked you how many times. Would you like mommy to cut your hair?
No.
Okay.
No.
Ngayon kasi guys, si Kahil ay 10-year-old na. So he has his own decision. We let him decide. His dad and I already agreed that now that he's 10, some of the things he can have his own decision about them, including his own hair. So why you prefer growing out your hair? What's the reason?
To look more handsome and also to be like...
Who are you trying to follow?
I'm trying to follow Mo Salah, although I don't support his team.
Okay, but why Mo Salah? Mo Salah is a bit of background for Mo Salah. He's a very popular soccer player, right? For which team?
For Liverpool, but I don't like that team.
It's okay. So why do you follow his hair?
Because usually his hair is bouncy, and it's like I can feel in a way, even though I haven't met him, it feels like it's soft, his hair.
That's true. So if people say something like cut your hair, it's too much, or cut your hair, I feel like it's too big, what do you answer to them? How do you answer them?
I'll say no, I have my own choice. If I want to cut my hair, I want to. If I don't, I don't.
Oh, diba? Plagadag kayo guys. So baka iniisip ninyo na sa edad ni Kuya Kahil sa pilitan yung kanyang buhok, hindi po. Are you happy with your hair?
Yes.
I am happy. Your dad is happy. I'm happy. As long as you are happy, that's the most important thing, right?
Yes.
And does the hair, kind of hair, shows the kind of characteristic that you have as a person? Okay, does the hair dictate a person's personality?
No.
No. Does it show if a person is good or bad or smart or not smart?
No.
No, right. A hair is just a hair.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Very good. So even myself, ayan, masaya ako para kay Kuya Kahil kasi kami ng tatay niya, very supportive kami sa gusto ng bata. Wala kaming problema dyan, and as long as Kahil is happy with his own choice, lalo na ngayon na mag 11 years old na siya, then that is
good.
Can we show them a thumbs up? Ayun. So let's go out today guys kasi maghahanap kami ng libro for Kuya Kahil, something that he likes to read. Kasi he did not pack some books. Alright, let's go! You covered the screen. Let's go! Let's go, pause the screen.
I don't know why Nasty could play it. I don't know how it...
You just have to be smart about it. If you hear bad stuff, bad words from games or TVs or from other people, you should know better. It means if you know it's bad, you're not supposed to copy or say it or do it, right?
I always hear bad words in Daddy's movie, but Daddy says don't care about it. Even his football channel has lots of swear words.
Dad doesn't also use them, doesn't also follow them. You understand? Nagtawag nga pala yung tatay ni Kahil guys, medyo nagtampo siya kasi hindi kami nakapag-message sa kanya, hindi nakatawag. Nag-apologize naman ako sa kanya kasi sabi ko, na-overwhelm ako sa lahat ng nangyari since dumating si Kuya Kahil. Parang lagi kong iniisip, ang dami kong iniisip ba, mga bata, ang dami-dami, sobrang dami guys. And then of course, sobrang excited ko din nandyan si Kuya Kahil. Yung mga time na hindi ako busy, pinapanood ko lang sila. So ngayon nag-apologize ako kasi hindi nga nakatawag si Kuya Kahil. At the same time, hindi ko nasend sa kanya yung video ng mga bata na very happy sa mga binigay niyang regalo. But anyway, all is good. And Kahil's dad, what did your dad say? Was he excited with your trip, this trip?
Yeah?
What did he say?
He says, have a safe trip. Love you. Stay safe.
Tita Sheena, Mommy Shinshin said that you were so sweet with your dad. That you were hugging him and saying I love you to him when he sent you to Mommy Sheena. True?
Yeah.
But soon you're growing. Oh, he's going to turn 11, right? Very soon. So, andito na kami sa mall ngayon, guys. Maghahanap lang ako ng libro ni Kuya Kahil or anything he likes to read. Like I said, Kuya Kahil likes to read. There's National Bookstore there. Nag-usap nga kami ng tatay ni Kuya Kahil kasi sabi ko, time na ni Kahil para magpa-braces. Dahil ang kanyang teeth ay medyo nag-o-overlap na. So, wala namang problema, guys. Basta ang alam ng, pag alam ng tatay ni Kahil na it's a need and it's a doctor's advice, then he's very, very supportive. So let's go sa National Bookstore. Books. Then maybe some story books or activity books for Chico and Kulot. Fairy tale. Wow. ₱225 for many stories. Not bad. Pero since Chico and Kulot are still very young, I prefer getting books that are more of illustrations or photo. Okay, nagba-browse ako dito ng libro, something that Kahil will be interested in. How about this? Look at this one, Kahil. Nakita ko to, guys, Gawang Pinoy. Gawang Pinoy. Ganyan siya. Never ko na-expect sa tanang buhay ko na magkakaroon tayo ng libro na ganito. Pero let's see what you guys are going to say about this book. Andito siya sa likod. Basically, this is like an education for about private parts natin sa katawan. Ayan. But this one is targeting younger kids for them to understand. This is written in Tagalog though. Tulad ng aking mga mata, ilong, bibig at tainga, alagaan ko raw ang aking private part, sabi ni nanay. Bahagi ito ng aking katawan na talagang mahalaga. Parang na-shock ako dun. Parang na-shock ako dun na. This is, wala siyang presyo. Then, meron din siyang pambabae. Eto. So, I'm not sure kung merong mga parents dito, guys, na nakabili na ng book na to. And let me check it out as well. Let's see kung anong nasa.
A few moments later.
Alright, look at this. I think this one is good for who? Chico and Calby. Come here. Kahil, come here first. Ganda nito, guys. Oh, simple lang siya pero sobrang daming possibilities ng imagination at learning. Peekaboo Garden. So before you open the umbrella, it encouraged the child na maging imaginative and also creative sa kanilang isasagot. So who do you think is sitting under the umbrella? It's a fat cat. It's a cat lang pala. Tinagdagan ko ng answer. Anyway, parang maganda to para kay Chico at Kulot sa kanilang edad. Let's see kung meron siyang age. Wala. Pero okay na to. Merong on the beach at merong sa garden.
Like
8 or 10? How many?
Page 1 to start the fitness section begins.
10? So, bibilhan ko na rin si Kuya Kahil ngayon ng kanyang pang-training sa bahay para in case ma-board siya.
15 cones.
15? So, eto, merong 15 cones, guys. Ganito pala yung cone. Kung ako lang yung bibili, ganyan yung bibilhin ko.
What's 15 times 49?
Why do you prefer this one than that one?
Because it's like it's not so easily to be hit and it doesn't easily break, like get stepped on.
So, 15? Not 10? 15.
Just in case, yeah. I have long exercises.
Abi na ako mo tumanat ko niyang ginamin part, so. Kari di ay nga cone pag sa soccer. And this soccer ball is unique. Mas gusto niyo daw tong standard na kulay kaysa dun sa colorful balls. Ha? Tingnan natin yung reaction nila kapag libro yung ibibigay sa kanila, ha. Meron akong biniling 2 libro dito para kay Chico at para kay Kulot. So tingnan natin yung reaction nila. Yan, si Kulot unahin natin. Kalbi! Kalbi, come, I have something for you. Tada! You like it? Yeah. And one for Chico! Ayan ang reaction nila, guys, basta libro. Oh, diba? So kahit libro yung binibigay sa kanila, nasanay talaga yan sila na mag-wow. Tsaka libro kasi yung una kong binili. Kahil, oh. How about for Kahil? Sunod lang.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So lahat sila, libro yan. And then binilhan ko sila ng Crayola. Kahil, Kalbi? Also, I got for you a box of crayons. Wow, crayons. And I also got for Kalbi this one. Look this. Wow, Caesar. So many for Kalbi. Alright, guys. We decided to end our afternoon by visiting new places. Dito lang naman sa Alabel, around 30 minutes away galing sa bahay. Nakita namin itong Macarius Fruit Farm. Ayun, kita nyo guys. So sa mga hindi familiar yan, hindi familiar dito, cactus po ito. Pamilya ng cactus, pero yung bunga niya, prutas at nakakain. Katulad nito, ayan. Ito ay ang, hawak ako teha, dragon fruit. Uy, sobrang sarap nito. Para siyang watermelon. Pero yung kanyang texture is parang makompare ko sa papaya. Yung texture, ang layo naman, papaya at watermelon. Pero meron silang mga benta dito na made of this fruit. Once again guys, etong prutas na to, kung hindi nyo pa natitikman, alam ko minsan natatakot tayong tikman, no, dahil sa itsura. Pero sobrang tamis ng prutas na yan, and it has a very high vitamin C content and also antioxidant. Kapag mga antioxidant, gustong-gusto ko yan kasi nakakapagpabata. Ang dami yung laman na dragon fruit yung kanilang fridge, oh. Okay, what is the best time to eat dragon fruit? Morning daw. So, let's go. Tingnan natin dito. Kahil, let's go see. Kahil, ayan si Kuya Kahil para makita niya rin. Kahil loves dragon fruit. You want to try their dragon fruit? Oh my gosh! No, Chico, no! Chico, no! Not nice, anak. Wow! Ito ang totoong papaya! Yahoo! Papawan. Papawan. Let's go, let's go. Grabe itong papaya, oh. Very big. Meron namang hinog yung kanilang ibang dragon fruit, pero hindi pa. Kaka-start pa lang. So, pag nag-research ng mga fruit farm dito, hindi ganun kadami yung option ng mga fruit farm malapit dito sa... Meron naman, pero hindi nila ino-open for the public. So, etong dragon fruit farm, at least ino-open nila for the guest. So, basically guys, it's just a walk to see the farm of dragon fruit. Wala sila yung tour guide na magsasabi or mag-talk about dragon fruit. Ang entrance fee dito, 30 pesos para sa adult, 25 pesos para sa mga bata. So, maganda itong i-walking. Ayan. Alright. Okay guys, ano yung name te? Angel po. Ayan, dito si Ate Angel ngayon, syempre para mag-share sa atin ng mga facts about dragon fruit. Kasi alam ko minsan kung hindi pa natin basahin, no, hindi natin malaman. Pero tanungin natin si ate kung meron siyang i-share sa atin ng mga bago pa lang sa prutas na to. Yung number 1 na tanong ko is napansin ko walang bunga. So anong season ng dragon fruit, Ate Angel?
Ano ma'am, March to September, October po.
September, October. So ibig sabihin
March po,
from March.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin kakatapos na lang ng season.
Yes po ma'am, dapat po kasi wala ng bunga to kahit isa ma'am. Oo. Dahil may ilaw po, pinoprovide po ng may-ari na may ilaw.
Oo.
Kaya may mga bunga siya pa unti-unti po.
Okay. Anong klaseng ilaw? Yung ilaw na yan?
Yes po, mga ma'am.
So ano ang purpose ng ilaw? Bakit may ilaw?
Yung kasi yung gusto nila ma'am yung sa mainit sila or maliwanag.
Dapat may maliwanag.
Yes,
bakit dragon fruit ang start ng owner sa lahat pagkadami-daming prutas?
Madami kasing benefits ito ma'am Kaya ito yung gusto nilang fruits. Then naging habit ng may-ari.
So ano siya, binibenta nyo lang locally or ini-export din?
Local lang ma'am.
Local. Saan ang market nyo siya hinahatid? Dito sa Jensan. So from Alabel Province, tama ba?
Opo.
Alabel Province to General Santos City.
Yes po.
Tapos nakita ko sa menu ninyo marami kayong mga pine-prepare na gumagamit ng dragon fruit. Ano yung pinaka best seller ninyo dito?
Shake ma'am, then may kami ma'am, itong halo-halo dragon fruit.
Halo-halo na may dragon fruit.
Isa din sa binabalik-balikan ng mga tao dito ma'am na first time po sa Philippines is yung aming Master's Conejo Shawarma po ma'am.
Conejo
Yes,
shawarma.
Pwede
Okay.
niyo pong i-try ma'am. Masarap.
Conejo shawarma guys. Sa Uganda kasi siniserve din yung conejo or yung rabbit meat. Sabi nila mas masarap pa daw yun kaysa sa manok.
Yes po. Totoo yun.
I have never tried conejo meat before. So best seller din siya.
Yes ma'am, binabalik-balikan po yun ng mga customer dito kasi sila lang po yung first time na nagbebenta po ng ganun dito.
So ano yung pinaka-araw na busy kayo dito sa Macarios Fruit Farm?
Friday to Sunday ma'am.
Friday to Sunday. So ngayon wala masyadong nagabisita.
Wala masyado ngayon ma'am. Nagtitipid ata mga tao.
Ano daw, mahirap ba mag-alaga ng dragon fruit?
Oo ma'am, medyo alagain siya. Yung mga bulaklak din niya ma'am, maganda yan pag
Pag nag-bloom.
Yes,
bulaklak muna bago prutas.
Yes po ma'am. Itong ganito ma'am, siguro mamayang gabi.
Ayan. Mamayang gabi mag-open na to.
Open ma'am, then minsan lang po yan siya magbuka.
Minsan lang magbuka.
Minsan lang ma'am, then bukas wala na yan.
Ay mabilis lang pagbuka niya.
Yes po ma'am. Pero maganda yan, malaki, parang
wanag. And then yan, sa kanya din yung manggahan.
Yes po. Baka next year po may iba silang project dyan.
Wow. So basically you guys, if you want to learn more about dragon fruit farming, pwede kayong mag-request na mag-ask ng mga facts kasi it's like I said, hindi siya common. Ayun. Kaso hindi ngayon hindi ngayon season kaya wala masyadong bunga. Pero okay lang.
September ma'am, ang madami to ma'am. Nun makita nyo po sa page namin.
Ay, oo, nakita ko sa page ninyo yung maraming prutas. Pero kasi nasa Alabel na siya, hindi naman malayo. Mas magandang i-check out. Siguro balikan natin to kapag ka-season ulit. Ayan guys, napansin ko talaga lahat sila. Meron talagang stand kasi kapag walang stand, mabigat. Tsaka kakamang sa lupa. Tsaka ayan, meron silang ginamit na gulong kada puno ng dragon fruit. Tsaka merong bakal para siguro even yung pag-distribute ng dahon. First time ko nakapunta ng dragon fruit farm, in fairness. Nakapunta tayo ng mga manggahan, bayabasan, pero dragon fruit, ito yung first. Ayan guys. Hi, come here. 5 minutes ahead ng Macarios Farm ay ang kanilang Alta Vista View Deck. So, pwedeng makakit yung mga sasakyan kasi sementado na naman siya. Let's look at the view here. Kasi ito yung kanilang pinapahambog. Yung kanyang view. Take a little break, 1 minute. Don't talk, just look. So, ina-advise pala na pag pumunta kayo dito, take some time to reflect. Diba? Pinahirapan ko lalo guys yung message nila. Wow! Wow, nice! talaga siya. Pero, eto ay hindi kid-friendly. Dahil, kasyang-kasya si Chico dyan at si Kulot. Let's just sit here, oh.
I want to eat.
Ah. Quickly, you say you want brand new car, house and lot. Quickly. Ah! House and lot. Chico. Wow.
Mom, what's wrong with this rain? What if we die?
What if we die? We don't die, anak. Be careful.
But what if we get sick if it starts raining?
Then we go run to the car. So many coconut trees. Kato lang ilang village, oh.
Look at up today at the mountain.
Barangay 10. Barangay 10.
May I know why you're carrying a bag?
I want to start growing.
I have to start growing. But it's raining.
Meron pala sila ditong restaurant, guys, sa taas ng Alta Vista, where they serve nicks and knacks, and also meron silang halo-halo.
May ano, gusto ko.
Yes! What's that? Partner na sa coffee.
Kasaba or suman?
That's a partner of the coffee. Grabe dito, guys. Oh, pag gusto mong umakyat doon sa tuktok, oh, yung may ano doon, yung may nakasulat na mga letter, Alta Vista doon, magbayad ka ng 40 pesos, ha? So, ikaw na yung magbasa yung kilikili, ikaw pa yung magbayad ng entrance. Joke lang, guys. So, kung gusto niyo mas makikita pa ng view doon na side, pwede kayong pumasok. Dapat 3 feet above, ha? Bawal dito yung mga ano, mas maliit pa sa 3 feet. So, meron din silang kanilang mga rules and regulations. Up, triangle goes to... Very good. Circle goes to... Wheels? Say, make it dark so teacher can see. Wheels. What else? And ball. Make it dark. I can see the line. I can see the line. Push. Nice. Push.
Yay, ball.
And what else? What else is circle? Button.
Button.
Very good. Darker.